So I'm very, very happy, very humbled, and at the same time, all our efforts of the last 6 decades have been recognized. It's a big milestone for us. It's a great achievement, and it's only a step forward for us now. So yes, thank you for the recognition. I would like to thank society for the recognition. Yeah.
You've inspired so many through your work. What role do you think education plays in shaping creative excellence?
I think pretty much everything really, because education does not just mean academic education. Education has got a lot to do with creating character, building character. So we nurture our children, our learners on many aspects, not just academics. There's co-curricular, extracurricular, value system. Oh, I need to see that. So value system, so there's a whole lot of areas that we work with and mainly nurture our learners on skills like resilience, leadership, courage. All these skills are the ones that will help them going forward. Of course, we know that technology, we're in a very different time where technology is the enabler, but it can enhance or even diminish human skills. But this is what differentiates us, because we want to teach our children how to build character through resilience, courage, real life connections. Thank you.
I'm Aarti Surendranath. I've been a model, I've been an actress. Right now, and that's what I work as a profession. I'm a producer, but from my heart I work on animals, and I love to do whatever I can for children, for animals, and for the betterment of things like that. Ours is such a big, huge country. We have such a strong, brilliant youth. Everybody is so bright, so intelligent. Education needs to be taken to them so they get empowered and they are able to do all the things that they can. They need to get their soft skills, they need to get introduced to the world, and they need the world introduced to them, brought to them on their feet because of how bright and brilliant they are. So today the need of the hour is recognized by everybody world over. The Indian youth is recognized as those who are going to be world leaders in time to come. So I think it's very important that they get to know how to handle this world that lies ahead of them, to have doors opened for them, which can only happen with knowledge, with information, and the whole idea of how to go ahead and get it. That's what is going to give them confidence, to be able to empower them, to go and take over the world actually. So it is absolutely fabulous to be here. Thank you.
You all know that I'm an actress and a qualified nursing officer, so for me to be here is an absolute pleasure. We all know that we are here to celebrate the remarkable contribution and achievement of the visionary society educational leaders and change makers. As the name says, change makers, education is so as the name suggests, change makers, education is one of the best things to make any kind of remarkable contribution or change in the society. बिना पढ़ाई के तो कुछ है ही नहीं, and मुझसे ज़्यादा कौन जानता है. So being a nurse, being an actress, I think I'm very, very, very happy, and we need more such people who are there in the society to make change and to promote education in all the ways, in all the possible ways. जितनी ज़्यादा हो सके वो educational changes होने चाहिए, और education सब जगह, सब तरह से पहुँचनी चाहिए. The key of education for me is consistency. I think करेज, कंसिस्टेंसी. अगर आप चाहते हैं, एंड विलिंगनेस, अगर आप चाहते हैं पढ़ना, जैसे कि हम बचपन से सुनते आए हैं कि कोई भी किसी भी हालात में कैसे भी पढ़ सकता है. जैसे कि हमें कहावतें मिलती थी सुनने में छोटे में कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सरकारी स्कूल और पब्लिक स्कूल, जैसे मैं एक सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ी हुई हूँ, मेरे स्कूल की फ़ीस मुझे याद है आई थिंक 12 रुपये 3 महीने की थी. So it was an NDMC school in Delhi, very small school, very nice school. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि what kind of school, what kind of environment, you have money, you don't have money, what background, how much time you get in a day. लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो बहुत सारा पूरी दिन में काम करते हैं और रात को बड़े ख़राब कठिन circumstances में पढ़ाई भी पूरी करते हैं और फिर वो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So I think willingness, consistency, to be courageous, that's the key to success, and that's
Okay. Good evening, everyone, and it's an honor to be here at the Society Awards, felicitating education as a way forward to the society, and not just to society but also to in India. And through the wellness, I think it's very important to address and educate the youth and the people, because it's important that without education nothing happens, rather, right? And as youth, we are here to spread and acknowledge all the people who are in India who want to educate. And I think Society Awards is a wonderful platform for educationals like us, and where we want to spread as much as possible and educate people. So I really thank Society Awards for having these awards and felicitating us. So thank you very much.
Any words of encouragement for society achievers moving forward?
Words of encouragement is always keep doing what they do, because it's very important to acknowledge people, because people are society. So acknowledging them is the biggest achievement if you can do that. So kudos to them, and keep doing what they're doing, because it's important to acknowledge and have that gratification to the society, rather the people of the world, because people are the one who make and bring.
I think it's a great, wonderful day to hear and join society leaders for education. Education is the new paradigm which is going to change Bharat, is going to change India. And I think it's extremely important for us to make Viksit Bharat, which the Prime Minister wants. If we want to make the global growth the fastest in the world, education has to be done. We cannot have GDP growth in the country without having education, which is going to cause employment of the country. So we can't have educated people and masses and then not have jobs. So the linkage of education in the new education policy with the government of India has done, and now various states are also following, is going to be extremely important. So the leadership which is now talked about by society is going to be extremely important, because we want education which creates job and gives linkage for the purposes of giving startups, Viksit Bharat, jobs, starting new businesses and other stuff. We cannot be now lying low. We are not colonized in our mind by only the British system or the foreign system. We have to have our own system which gives us a job for the future of Bharat, and we can do it. This is the new thing by which we have to do. So my congratulations to society doing focus on education and leadership in education today.
Sir, you have inspired millions of people through your work. How do you think young people will inspire value learning beyond degrees to learn for life, not for just marks?
Well, I have the more belief, I think, in the youth than I have with the seniors. I think the youth have all that in them. So the future is brighter than what it is today. Don't worry about it. But we have to have the right education. We have to have the right guidance. You cannot put them, when you want to go north, you don't go to Chennai. You have to go north. So the direction is more important. Leave it to the rest of the people, including the young people, to make the Bharat into the greatest in the world. I'm not worried about the children, nothing. But we must have a right direction, and that's why leadership should be directed in a right way to make the future of Bharat into that. Only having GDP growth is not sufficient. Jobs have to be given to people, and that means skilling India. That is what education will have to be in the next 5 years.
Thank you.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
How does it feel to be a part of the Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition?
Oh, it's an honor to be here. I guess society has been a very old privilege and a magazine which has been going on, and this is a a great moment for me at least to be a part of this celebration. I wish all the best to society and to all the members of society. Yeah.
You inspired millions through your work, Ji. What role do you think education plays in shaping creative excellence?
I guess creativity is all about education. I mean, unless until a person is educated, that forms the basis of any thinking, any thought process. I guess somebody really wants to learn what a creative process is, he has to go through the grind. He has to understand what the creative process is, what is the background to that creative process. He has to go and actually visualize in the society as to what creativity is going on and how he can be creative in the process. So I guess creativity, education plays a very, very important role, not just for creative process, I guess for everything. Unless until you're educated, you do not know how to meet people, how to greet people, how to address the audience, how to... So education plays a very important part, I guess.
Any words of encouragement for society achievers going forward?
I guess since they're already achievers, what should I say? They have done for themselves, it's good, they've achieved a lot, and I guess all the best for future endeavors for these guys.
Do you think we should have more events like these moving forward that highlight education leaders?
Of course, I guess education is the backbone of any society. Unless you're educated, you can't move forward. So I guess it's a very good initiative which Society magazine is undertaken, and I guess such events should be entertained and be held more for leaders of education and from that, I mean, like people coming forward and presenting themselves in the society. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
I feel to be a part of Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition.
I can't put it in words. This has been a very emotional moment for me coming here and getting this award. One is the speech by Mr. Ashish Shelar. That speech will stay in my heart and mind forever. He spoke so well about what he feels about education. He spoke about AI technology. He spoke about the fact that our children, he spoke about the visa problems and how our children now need more education. I want to thank Ashok ji with all my heart for including education as a huge segment in the awards category. Now I'll tell you the reason behind this. See, I would say for myself that I am what I am because of my mother, father, but also because of my teachers, my professors. Right from school to college, I and my wife, we have done a master's from Mumbai University. We finished 4 years of our college and then moved on to Mumbai Kalina campus, Mumbai University, finished the master's. I know how important education is when you want to learn something. It's only your teachers that make you what you are. The Society Award should be congratulated. It's payback time for society, to society, by including these awards, and I'm very glad to be here. Everyone spoke their heart out. Niranjan ji, Shaina NC, our own Mr. Gangrani ji, Honorable Madhuri ji. They spoke about education, how important it is. But the speech that will stay back in my heart and mind will be the Ashish Shelar speech, where he is saying that we're all out there to help the children grow and build great institutions. And I also want to thank all the people who build schools, everyone who builds colleges, everyone who has the dream of educating a child to realize his or her own potential. So I'm glad to be here, glad to receive this award today. I consider this a very, very prestigious award where education is involved. Thank you.
How does it feel to be recognized by Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition?
So I'm very happy and grateful that I'm very happy and grateful. I'm very happy and grateful that Society Achievers has presented me with this award because we in the ISKCON society, we are trying to spread spiritual education amongst people, am very happy that society has recognized this aspect of education in society. In addition to material education, spiritual education is also important to develop for the development of character. And for the development of character, they are helping in this. They are identifying and recognizing this aspect of education, which ISKCON is contributing towards. I am very happy that they have given me this award.
Any words of encouragement for society achievers moving forward?
Yeah. So, Society Achievers has entered into this new phase, which is education. I am very happy. I think this is a very important and progressive field in India. Education is going to be the next new thing, the next big thing in the world, and especially given the visa restrictions.
To be a part of the Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition.
It feels wonderful to have gotten this award. Very grateful for the same. We have been very ambitious in our educational goals, and it's been a fantastic time in India to take this forward. There's never been a better time. So look forward to leaps and bounds. We have so many things at our aid right now which we did not have earlier, whether it's the internet, online education, ChatGPT even, Meta, and all else that is, AI, etc. And therefore, making the most of it. Thank you.
Any words of encouragement for Society Achievers?
I think Society Achievers is doing a fantastic job of really encouraging educationalists and so many others in a variety of other fields to surpass themselves. Thank you for that. It gives us a great platform to be able to showcase ourselves, bring about awareness to society and others, and for that I am, along with my husband, very grateful. Thank you.
So how does it feel to be part of Society Achievers Global Education Leaders Special Edition launch today?
सबसे पहले तो अशोक मेरे बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं और मैं उसे एक दोस्त ही नहीं और एक बहुत बेहतरीन इंसान समझता हूँ. इज़ ए वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो इसलिए हमारी इन चीज़ों में सब बातें होती रहती हैं. और इस मैगज़ीन को मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. मैंने काफ़ी इसको देखा है, काफ़ी फंक्शंस मैंने अटेंड किए हैं. सबसे बड़ी बात है अशोक की. अशोक बहुत ही डेडिकेटेड इंसान है जो भी काम करता है उसके ऊपर 100% देने की कोशिश करता है. क्योंकि मैं बीन टू हिज ऑफिस ऑल्सो, आई मेट ऑल हिज पूरी जो लोग काम करें उनके साथ मिला हूँ मैं. मुझे बेहद खुशी होती है इस बात की कि उसकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट जो है अपने काम में 100% रहती है. तो उसी का नतीजा है ये सोसाइटी अचीवर जो है आज रिलीज़ हो रही है. और इसके लिए मैं उसको, अशोक को और पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ. ठीक है, ठीक है. जय आहे. मी आज सर्वात प्रथम सोसायटी मॅगझिन आणि सोसायटी मॅगझिनच्या परिवाराचं अभिनंदन करतो. ग्लोबल लीडर्स इन एज्युकेशन या सर्व लीडर्सना एकत्र करून त्या सगळ्यांच्या माध्यमातून एक असं चर्चासत्र निर्माण करावं की ज्यातून विकसित भारत 2047 या देशाचं माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजींचं स्वप्न आहे. त्यामध्ये शिक्षण व्यवस्थाचं बळकटीकरण, नाविन्यता, सृजनशीलता आणि बरोबरीने जगाच्या स्पर्धेमध्ये भारतीय विद्यार्थ्यांना मिळणारी संधी आणि स्थान या विषयात काम करणाऱ्या सगळ्यांना एकत्र बोलवलं आणि अशा अतिशय उत्तम पद्धतीच्या कार्यक्रमाचं नियोजन केलं. त्याबद्दल मी सोसायटी मॅगझिनचं अभिनंदन करतो, त्यांच्या संपादकांचं अभिनंदन करतो, सर्व सहभागी संस्थांचंही अभिनंदन करतो. धन्यवाद.
Global Namaste, I am Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, Global Wellness Ambassador of India and as well as founder of the World Digital Detox Day. I must congratulate Society Achievers for bringing this education platform and bringing all these leaders together in this platform and showcasing the Indian education system. Since I am related with the World Digital Detox Day and always talking about the digital education and digital ethics and manners, so I must congratulate Ashok ji and entire this Society Achievers group That is, soon we are also coming, but not immediately. Soon we are also coming with something related with the wellness, and everyone will definitely come to know this. But before that, this platform, what he has created for the education, similarly, digital wellness also, we dream to have through this platform to educate the world. Thank you.
स्कूल, कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटी सब है, जहाँ ये लोगों को 2000 रुपये से लेकर एजुकेशन देके और सब बच्चों को उसी हिसाब से एजुकेशन देते हैं। इनका एम है एजुकेशन, इनके फोर फादर से वो एक एजुकेशन की लीगेसी चली हुई है 100 ईयर से, और इन्होंने ही एक ऐसी स्कूल है जिन्होंने सबसे पहले स्किल डॉन AI के लिए बोला मेरे पूरे सारे बच्चों को मिलना चाहिए, उसके लिए पैसा चाहे हम देंगे कहीं भी देंगे, लेकिन आप उनके लिए काम करना चाहिए। तो इसका हम कहना चाहेंगे क्या?
Thank you so much, and congratulations to Society Magazine for this lovely initiative, and very glad to be here. Thank you so much.